if we're gonna tackle this fashion design thing, we've got to do something really special. It has to be cool, comfortable, and undetectable by radar. Something that absolutely screams summer. Ah, I think you're onto something, Ferb.
Hey, Phineas. What you doing?
Ferb and I are working on designs for our new clothing line.
What the?
You're pulling my fin!
Well, heck, Milo. Just get some scissors and cut the string. Oh, what a good idea. Who would have thought? Scissors.
That's a terrible idea!
Guys, calm down. Let me help. There.
Oh,
Thanks, Bee.
Bee.
At least I can do one thing right.
What's that?
Blue.
Blue? Blue! It was you! Well, what is it, Blue? What are you so excited about? Oh, did you see something too? Well, what did you see?